Good morning.
Hello.
We are in the second quarter of our journey to Maine. We stopped at a campsite just after the quarter mark.
Yeah, look like it used to have a shelter.
Yeah.
But not anymore.
And today we're going for that 20-miler.
Yes, the elusive 20 miles.
Yep. It's a little more upsy-downy than some of the other days we've had, but maybe that'll just change up the leg muscles a little more often. Oh, I just saw a deer.
There's a small mountain to start and then a larger one at the end of the day.
Big, like 4-mile climb to get to the shelter.
We're gonna break about halfway. There's a hostel right on the trail.
Bear Garden.
What's it called?
Bear Garden, I think.
Bear Garden. Yeah, they have stuff you can heat up and eat.
Yeah, stop there for lunch, do a little recharge, and then move on out. But it's going well.
Where was I?
We met.
And then we got married. No. We met a bit of a tramley yesterday. I guess was the first time we met them, but we hung out with them.
A pre-existing tramley.
Yeah, we hung out with them again today. We passed them a lot, on and off, back and forth, but it also meant that we didn't get to, stop and show you around as much.
Yeah, we don't like to have people around for that, so.
Because we know it makes them feel funny. But this is pretty nice. We're almost at the end of our first 20-plus day. Our big boy, we call them big boys, 20-plus.
Yeah.
Our first big boy since getting back on. And it's ending with this amazing view.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's probably not quite picking up on camera, but it's just like a rippling mountain range.
A big range in the back, too. We're at the top of,
we had clear skies all day, which was nice.
Who knows what this place is called? Probably Chestnut Knob. Because we're going to Chestnut Knob Shelter, which used to be an old fire warden's house or something, or like homestead, and he abandoned it or something. So it's a shelter that's fully enclosed with a door. It's made out of stone. I'm excited to see it. We probably won't stay in it because tenting's our thing, and I don't think stone necessarily keep mice out up here. But yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Sorry for the lame video.
The lame day footage.
Yeah.
The video will be great. I'm sure.
Yeah, because it has you in it.